Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily for Thursday the 23rd of January 2025. The S&P 500 cash index made a new all-time high yesterday intraday. The new high was 6,100.81. That compares with the previous high on the 6th of December of 6,099.97. So by the barest of margins we got there. And look, we've had a pretty good run. The index has gone from a 2-month low to an all-time high in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, and it's been a pretty gappy time. There's a gap there, another gap there. Wouldn't surprise me if we have a little wiggle to the downside here. A couple of days ago, I talked about the prospect when you get a breakout for the symbol that's just broken out to come back down, kiss the trend line goodbye before continuing on with it. So something like that would not surprise me. All right, I'm not expecting a momentous crash, just like I said, a wiggle to the downside. Breadth was poor yesterday. 2/3 of stocks actually closed lower on the session. None of that mattered because the tech sector was stronger, with names like Oracle and Nvidia and Microsoft performing very well following the Stargate announcement. This is a project that plans to invest $500 billion over the next 4 years, building new AI infrastructure in the US. The initial equity funders are SoftBank, OpenAI, Oracle, and Nvidia and Microsoft are key technology partners. So that announcement helped put another rocket under AI-related stocks, as you can see on the market map, with Microsoft, Nvidia, really massive points contributors to the index. Oracle also performing very well. But the rest of the market, not so much. I mean, you can see there's a fair amount of red on the market map there. So wouldn't surprise me if on the SPY, like I said, we have a wiggle to the downside. I think we're still in a buy the dip environment. We've still got big tech earnings ahead of us. The market doesn't usually sell off ahead of big tech earnings, particularly in January. But what can often happen after big tech earnings have all been released is we get a bit of a FAANGover in the market. All right, maybe that term's a bit old-fashioned now, but the Mag 7 stocks, we used to call them the FAANG stocks, or the FAANGman stocks when Microsoft got included. But often what happens is once the big tech or the Mag 7 stocks have reported earnings, it's a little bit like the hangover after the big party. But that's still 2 or 3 weeks away. Anyway, that's what I got for you folks. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.